Question number 12. Jerome deposited 20,000 in a savings account which paid compound interest at the rate of 15% per annum. He then deposited 20,000 shillings in the same account at the beginning of each subsequent year for the next 2 years. Calculate how much interest his savings had earned him at the end of the third year. Solution. We are going to use simple interest formula. The simple interest formula is calculated by interest is equal to principal P multiplied by rate R multiplied by time. So we are going to calculate each interest for each year. Now, for the first year, we are going to say interest is equal to principal 20,000 multiplied by the rate of 15% of 100 multiplied by time, which is 1. So in the first year, the interest that the 20,000 shillings earned him was 3,000 shillings. For the second year, since the first deposit 20,000 earned him 3,000 interest, so our principal will be now 20,000 plus 3,000. The first deposit and its interest plus the second deposit that he did for that given second year, 20,000. So our principal is 43,000. Now, taking our simple interest formula, we are going to say P times R times T will be 43,000 multiplied by 15, 100 times 1. Now, our interest here now will be 6,450. So when it comes to the third year, our new principal will be given by the principal in the previous year, which is 43,000, plus the interest of the previous year, 6,450, plus the deposit of the third year, which was 20,000. So our principal here will be 69,450 shillings. Therefore, the interest for the third year will be given by, again, P times R times T, which is 69,450 multiplied by 15 over 100 times 1. So this one will give you 10,417.5 shillings. So we can now say total interest is equal to the interest for the first year 3,000 plus the interest for the second year 6,450 plus the interest for the third year, which is 10,417.5. This will give you a total of 19,867.5 shillings as the interest.